You see, I'm by myself now, out in the middle of nowhere. Okay. Well, I think I remember the way home. Let's continue. All right, so it's Miss Renee the Barber. I'm gonna invite you to walk with me. I am inviting you to walk with me. Good morning, good morning, good morning. We are on a road trip. We are on a road trip. We're going to the waterfalls, but it's a cold day today. It's about, I don't know, 39 maybe, something like that. So maybe the water is flowing. But speaking of water, you got your water bottle. At this point, I can't drink too much water right before I go for a walk. I won't be able to finish that walk. We are here with the family. Hey, keep watching. I'm gonna show you guys some interesting landscape. All right, so I'm out today at the, the Waterfall Glen. Trying to get the whole sign in there. This is where I am today. It's in Illinois. Let me just walk up just a little bit, show you guys. Let me put my mask on. I don't know what they're doing. All right, so we're in the parking lot area. Looks like there's a bonfire going on here. Not sure what that's about. It could be just the information booth or even another walking club that's out walking this morning. Let me see. You can see the bonfire. Well, let me see if you can see them. Oh, yeah. Let me see if I can get you a close picture. I don't know if you can see the fire. See the smoke? It's a group of folks. I'm going to go back to the car. I don't like to be around a bonfire, and I don't know who the folks are. So I'm going to go back to my car and wait for the rest of my walking crew. Alrighty then? And then I'll be back with you. I made it back to the car. I'm safe. I'm going to sit here and wait until the rest of the crew comes to meet me. Hey, everybody have a great day, and I'll see you when next video. All right, thank you for joining me. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, share, comment, and hit that like button. All right, bye-bye. All right, so if you've been following me on Facebook, you know that I'm in the process of juicing. So I've been juicing since New Year's Eve, and I do believe it's working. I showed you the toxins are coming out. There's a pimple there. Now this one really, now this pimple, it hurts. It hurts. It's right there. It's on my earlobe. I never had a pimple on my earlobe. And then I have a pimple right here. Follow me on Facebook for more updated information about my detoxing. Nice.
So is my shirt.
Your shirt too? Where'd you get those?
I volunteered at the force.
Oh, that's why you know. I didn't know that.
See? Cook County Forest Preserves, even though we're in Dupage today.
Yeah, cool. Thank you. Yo. Yes. Okay. Show us how those work.
It's just like cross-country skiing. It's the same motion.
Yeah.
And the metal pierces the ice.